Okay, good morning, everybody. We're going to record gold here real quick and record oil. I'm going to go over the two setups that I talked about this morning here, that especially on oil here in a second, and so you understand my methodology here real quick. Let's go over gold real quick, guys and gals. I'll let you get back to trading here. If we're on gold this morning, the first thing we look at is we look at the magenta MA when we first log in the 5-minute chart. Log in the trading room. Remember, this 89 tick means nothing. This 2-minute chart means nothing. Everything means everything is a 5-minute chart, because the 5 minutes is going to dictate if we are in trend or if we are in chop. So that's going to dictate where we're going to buy and sell off these three top indicators. Market profile levels are the green and red crosses here. We got my hedge fund level is the red dash line, and then we got these rollers, these blue and red lines up here. So those are the top three indicators that we trade off of. So it's very important that we understand that we are only shorting this morning on gold. We got the railroad tracks or car tracks driving down through the middle. You guys are talking about snow in here, I guess, here this morning. So let's compare it to driving through snow. You're leaving an imprint on your chart. There's car tracks right here, good spread. We only take shorts. We're not thinking about zero longs on gold this morning at all. No longs at all. No longs, 0, 0, 0. So what we have is we only take shorts. Well, how do we get in the market? What's the best place to get in the market, and how do we get short this market to take advantage of this downtrend? What we do is we use these three indicators on the 5-minute chart. We're in a downtrend. Magenta, if it's 35 to 45 degree angles down, we look to only short. We try to sell the retracement, okay? If we're trying to sell the retracement, if we're below all the indicators, we look for a retest of what's called LVA. Low value, there's our target hit, guys. Final target hit, you gold traders, final target hit. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. So final target's been hit. But what we do is we look for a retracement up to 1659, and we look for what? A doji hammer spinning top for reversal candle, and wait for a red bar reversal. We got the red bar reversal here. There's our reversal. Okay, there's only two spots the market could stop, here and up here at the hedge. You look for the reversal candle. Right there it is. We also got divergence. More supply. There's your exact bar reversal to the exact bar right on LVA retest. There is your trade on gold this morning. You gold traders are done for the day, okay? If you had the runner running, like we teach you to do, look at that big giant push. The final target was a 53 level right there, and the push got you all the way down here if you held the trade. So beautiful trade on gold, and that's how we do it, guys. 103 ticks, good job, Ray. 103 ticks, good job, man. Now the 2-minute chart, you can see we weakened up on the 2-minute chart. That's a good place to scale on the trade, on the first trade, initial trade. It retested 58, and then she just got slammed. On the retest of 58, we had a nice spinning top. If you missed, you got a little bit later. Right there's your entry on the 2-minute retest, roller retest. And that's how we trade these rollers. We trade these rollers with trend. It broke the 2-minute, it retested the 2-minute, and right there's your exact bar entry out the 2-minute roller. So either way you got it. You got a huge trade on gold this morning already. Go to Crude. Crude this morning, I had Brenda talking this morning where would be a great place to short crude oil. And I said the spot would be 63. 63 and 74 was my only two spots to short crude oil this morning. Gerald, are you over here on crude? Okay, good. And the reason I said 63, 64, we were down at this level right here. This morning we were down right here. I said this would be a good spot, 63, because coming into my sell zone. What I do is we have a ton of traders around the world that trade just my ebook methodology on news events, and I also do it during the day with all my zone trades. If I'm in a downtrend, I want to look at my zone sell. My zone sell is strictly the previous swing high to the previous swing low, and I look for a zone in between 64 and 72 to short the market if it lines up with my 5-minute chart. My 5-minute hedge was at 63. My HVA was at 74. So my hedge fund lined up, and also my 63 lined up. And I said the previous low a day, the first test of it is a retest short, and that would be the spot. We want to get the whole candle into it, though. We do not short this bar here. If we got a red reversal bar, we do not short that one. The candle of the body's got to get into the previous high day, as I was explaining to Brenda this morning. And after I talked about it, right here, we got a body got into the previous high day. We got the spinning top and the hammer. Two indecision candles were rollovers. There's our red reversal bar. right into my sell zone off of a blank chart. The entries at the next open of the first red bar. My targets are target 1 would be the overall automated target in your dome, or you go for, there's your symmetry dots. You can front right at 2 ticks ahead of symmetry, and then my 5-minute roller is always my natural target, like on gold just a second ago, and also on oil. Right there's my target. Okay. Now we had another additional setup that Mike was talking about. If you were not short already, if we're in a downtrend, there's only 2 possible setups. We look for a retracement short, or we look for a momentum breakdown. There's my 2/3 candle close below my LVA. Because of what? We don't take any longs in crude this morning, and we don't take any longs in oil. None. Zilch, okay? The only one you had a long on was a spinning top here. That was a counter trend trade this morning when it got inside LVA and it retraced LVA. Okay? Okay, that's more for advanced traders. Okay, if you don't like counter trend trade, which you should not anyway. Okay, that's the only push we had up inside of LVA. Broke inside LVA, retested, had a spinning top, had a nice push from there to there. But these are the 2 trend trades this morning I teach you how to do. There's a trend, exact bar entry, and here's a trend, exact bar entry that I set you traders up for this morning. That was in here. I marked my sell zone right up here. I put the zone in for you ahead of time. It showed you where the zone should hit, and there's my exact zone. Now we do have this in ebook format if you want to do it with news events. I've been doing this since 1996, and it still works today. Obviously, it caught the exact retracement short for the big move today in oil. So if you're an oil trader, if you're a gold trader, it's 8:25 this morning. You logged in at 7:45 this morning. You're done. I mean, you're done in 45 minutes. Shut her down. Go spend time with the family. Go get on your boat, whatever you got to do, and you're done for the day if you trade the methodology like you're supposed to. All right, guys and gals, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Also, before you shut that off, Gerald, we'll be doing the signal trades this week on gold and also oil. Okay, every news inventory, I'm going to put a signal line up. The signal line arrow will tell you the exact bar entry. Here's a weekly crude news entry right there. There's your breakout. Minutes after the news, I'll put this up. This was last week's trade. I sent you the last 3 weeks. We'll be doing this on crude every week. Every Wednesday, I'm going to put this chart up right before news. And we're going to do it every Thursday with unemployment claims for gold. There's a direct correlation between unemployment claims and gold, how it moves together. And we'll be doing unemployment claims every Thursday at 8:30. I'll be putting this up on gold, and gold works really nice with this signal line also. We'll also, tomorrow at 8:15, if you want to log in the room, I'll be going over my opening range trade at 9 a.m. in the morning. 9 a.m. in the morning, okay? We'll be going over this this is the buy breakout on Friday, okay? What we'll do is we'll go over the exact entry. Here's your buy reversal. There's your breakdown. We'll be going over exactly opening range trades tomorrow, exactly how to do it. I sent you an email so you'll understand how to do it as far as that goes. The entry, here we go. Here's a little bit about it. The entry and stop will be explained tomorrow at 8:15 for you members. But that you can see the opening range has a lot of value, and I'm going to go over that trade setup also. Okay. This is my sell zone for my ebook Sell Short. This morning, I look at my 5-minute blank chart I have in the background. I just take my zones all day long and try to find where this thing can reverse. This is the zone I put up for you guys and gals in the room ahead of time. And when you know it, right to my zone. And we got a nice reversal bar, previous low day, first test, retracement short. This is the ebook methodology. If you want more details on it, just get with Gerald, and we'll get that out to you. Okay? All right, guys and gals. Hey, good luck this morning. We're pretty much done here, you oil traders and gold traders. Like I said, don't give any profits back. We had 2 great qualified trades. We had the reversal here at my sell zone, and then we had the momentum breakdown right here at the symmetry dots 2/3 candle close.